Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's Inktober prompt is Dune. While searching about Dune, I found from Google that it means a mound or ridge of sand or other loose sediment formed by the wind, especially on the seacoast or in a desert. A sand dune is what it gives you an example of. In fact, if you go on Google Images and search for dune, that will also show you sand dunes, the pictures of sand dunes. So I thought, let's draw a sand dune, even though it is a bigger challenge now, because I had to draw a sand dune, but I had to use ink, so it won't look like a black sand dune though. So I wanted to have it like a sand dune of the deserts that we see, like for a Thar desert or a Sahara desert. So what I had to do is use water again, but this time I had to do it a bit more carefully because I did not want it to look too dark or too light or having that reddish tone when we use water on ink. So what I started with was the everyday's work, that is using the ball pen. I made some outlines of the sand dune that I tried to make. So this is how it came out at first. It looks like a hilltop, but it wasn't. It is a sand dune. So once I did it, then I started to play with light and dark parts. So this is the most important thing in any kind of drawing, playing with dark and light, that is the light and shadows. That's what is the most important thing in drawing, like be it any media, even with pencils to acrylics to even oil paint. It's all about light and dark. So even if you see on photographs, the whole game is about light and dark, because the subject needs to look pretty. For that, even the photographers they try to make that subject come in front and not the backgrounds, for portraits especially. That's what I'm saying. So here even I imagined the sand dune to be the main subject and not anything around. So I did not even sketch it. In fact, the sky I have just took it as white completely. So my idea of a sand dune seemed like this because I saw too many photographs for reference. I did, and I came up with this idea. So, but then again, drawing sand using ink with a brush was a bit of a challenge again. But the whole idea is of doing the Inktober challenge. So not to mention that we all need to go through this. And the meaning of sand dune, again, I would say that it is sand dune. That's what I have chosen because I searched Google and this is what I got. That's why, because many people will say that no, dune means something else. So I must be clear on this, that this is what I found, this is how I searched for it, and that's the thing. That is why I'm sketching this one. So friends, this was the idea for today's drawing. I would just like to remind you again that all the materials that I'm using for the whole of Inktober was described on the video just before Inktober. I have it in my Inktober playlist. You can just go and take it out and understand what materials I have used, but you would be glad to know, if you are looking for inexpensive materials for any drawings that you do, then these were that, because the pens or the ink that I have used here are not really that much costly. So it's all about a paper and a pen. So that's what you need to draw anything and everything. This whole idea of drawing anything and be able to portray your thoughts most importantly, that is what drawing actually means. That is what art actually means, that you need to show what exactly you feel. So be it for cartoons, be it illustrations, realistic portraits, realistic sceneries, anything. That is what an artist thinks about, how to draw what I am thinking or what I want to portray. So that is definitely easy. Doesn't depend on materials, but one thing it depends really highly on, that is practice. I stress every day, that's why I give so many videos every week, and for Inktober I am giving one video every day, so that you guys can realize that it's all about practice and nothing else. So if you want to check out how I think about my drawings, how I go for them, if you want to share your drawings with me, want me to comment on how I feel about your drawings, then you can ping me on Instagram, you can follow me there. So the Instagram ID that I have is ytsoupart, and the link to it is already there in the description box. I also have my Facebook page account description in the description box, so you can click it and you can send me a text there too. I will try to reply all of your texts. I have always replied the comments, so guys, please keep commenting. Your comments are huge encouragement to me for keeping on drawing for the whole of Inktober. So this being the 13th day, I've heard it's unlucky for many, but this one was quite tough, but it wasn't unlucky because the final result was quite satisfying, because this does look like Dune to me for sure. So please comment if you do not like it, even if you have some ideas that I could have tried. I would surely love to know what you guys have thought, and I would try to incorporate that in the upcoming drawings, at least for Inktober or even beyond. So guys, keep commenting, keep supporting, and share this video. Like this video if you have liked it. Subscribe to my channel please if you have not yet subscribed. I will see you tomorrow again. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.